As I approach the bench, I see a bunny. Yeah, that's a good bunny. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. That's a good boy. Yes, that's a good boy. Yes, that's a sweetie. Yes, I love you. Yes. So I'm right here by the bench. You can see how blurry that is. That means I'm very close. And he's right there on the tree. Yes, that's a good boy. Yeah, I'm going to try to sit down on the bench and see what happens. Good boy. That's a good boy. His second attempt. That's a good boy. Off he goes for now. He's in that direction. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Hi, Chicky. Hi. Hi there. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Where are you going there, baby? You don't have to be afraid. It's okay, baby. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, I know. Yes, Chicky. Yes, I hear you. Come on, precious. Come on, baby. Oh, it's okay, baby. Come back now. It's okay. Yes, it's okay, babies. Come, Kiki. Come on. Cardinal. It's hard to tell. But it's there. You should have saw his face when he was looking at me. Good baby. Yeah. You're so cute, little baby. He's standing next to me too. I'm not standing too far from any of these animals. I'm standing directly in front of the bench. I was sitting on it when the Cardinal came, but now I decided to get up, stand up, give them some breathing room so they can come. All right. Hi there, babe. Hi. Hi there. Yes, I know. Yes, you're my baby. Where'd you go? Yes, a little biscuit. It's okay. Big mouth. Good baby. Good baby. That's a good baby. Good baby. That's a good baby. Yes, I love you. Love you. Pretty birds. Precious. I love you. Yes, I do. There you go. Oh, there she goes. You couldn't see her. Come on, BJ. Come on, make an appearance. That would be nice. Now I'm on the side of the bench because I want a BJ or a blue jay. Should say what. Watch what I say. That's my definition for blue jay, BJ. So don't get derogatory. All right.